Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am going to do my second and final tutorial on the things that I got from Beebeecraft. I got some awesome items. They allowed me to get, I'm collaborating with them, so they allowed me to get $40 worth of material. So I end up getting 3 different items. So I definitely will link the unboxing video in the description, and also I will link my first tutorial in the description. So today I'm gonna work with the crystals that I got from Beebeecraft. These are some awesome crystals. So my plan is to make a centerpiece with these crystals. I am going to use, these are called white birch trees. I have 2 of these from Amazon. So I thought the best way to really show forth these beautiful crystals, and I've already put some beaded strand on this one, but I thought the best way to show forth these crystals, which it came with a variety, not one crystal is alike. So the best way to show forth these different designs, I thought these trees would be, will work perfectly with it. So that's what I'm gonna do for today. I have already put the hooks on there. They come with this kit from Beebeecraft of crystals, came with a variety of different types of hooks. So I have already put those on there. And I have this beaded strand. I will give you the information to this. I got this from Amazon. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So now I'm just gonna begin to put the crystals on. I don't know how long the strands, how long I'm gonna make the strands. It depends on how much I want it to hang down. So I'm gonna put like 7 to 8 on a tree. And then I might even consider putting, I might consider just putting plain, just strands on there as well. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm just, so since this one is kind of heavy, I'm gonna balance it out on the other side with another heavy one. Okay, so I have both of my trees with the crystal, with the crystals on them. Now, last week I made these here for the base of my centerpieces. So I don't want the base of these trees to just be plain like this. And you know, you can see the little switch, the on and off switch. So I want to put this in here. So I'll be sure to link my last tutorial so you can see how I made this. And I want to give this a base. So I don't know if you can see it. So let's see if I can adjust the camera so you can take a look. And then I'm just gonna fill it in with flower. So I wanna give this like a floral base. I probably don't need to add any more flowers in. So we'll see. So maybe a little, or it might just be fine the way it is. So again, I'm gonna show you how I made this floral base. I might take that one out, okay. So I'm gonna show you how I made this floral base. So I think that these will work really, really well with this centerpiece. I feel like these trees, you really can see the beauty of these crystals. I also like my floral base. So this will conclude my Beebeecraft tutorial. I will be sure to leave a link to how you can get these materials, especially the Beebeecraft crystals. And please like this video if you like what I created. Also, feel free to share my video as well. And if you have not had the chance to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. I thank you so much for viewing this video. Until I see you next time. Bye.